See the ball?
And all he want to do, run, Drew. Yeah, good run, Drew. There we go. Who you have? Who do you have? Drew got to call him, Sam. Got to call 35 all the same shit. What's Sam doing? Yo, what is...
They didn't call his own offense.
Huh?
They didn't call his own offense, so dudes was doing
They said overload.
Oh. They did?
Yeah.
Still got to tell him what to do. Dudes ain't run it all year.
Over. Yup. Yup. Look up.
Hey, run up. Run up.
Move it. Good pass. Yo, Drew. Yo. Drew is going to be open. If he finishes, he going to have a hell of a game. He finishes. He's putting through cross court. You. Yep. You know what I'm saying? Because where the shift at?
They ain't running.
You
gotta tell everybody where they're going. Don't do what they're not doing. No, we gotta tell them where to go.
I can't see them doing them in the fly.
Who's running corner to corner?
Drew.
Drew, you gonna run corner to corner on the overload?
You gonna go across?
Who's going corner?
That's him. Who's running across the middle?
Opposite guard, flash, middle, and back up. Opposite wing.
You gotta go with your gut. You gotta go with your gut, Shane.
Look.